How to play Roblox in Chromebook. Now, the most convenient way of doing it without even downloading it via directly into your Chromebook, this is also to make sure that you can actually run Roblox smoothly if you don't have enough storage on your Chromebook. So just simply access any available browser that you have in your Chromebook, and this is going to be the website that you're going to visit now.gg. Now you'll be redirected to a specific proxy site where you can access or play games using the browser only. Locate the search box, just simply type in Roblox and choose on the first link. And here, once getting ready is done, all you have to do is just to click on play in browser and you will be able to play games that is specifically made from Roblox. And that is how you play game and that is how you play Roblox on Chromebook.